Hey friends, welcome to this video. I will show you step by step how to cancel Digen.ai subscription. So friends, go to your account and look for this option. You can see here, go to this option, click on this free 300, click this one, and then if you have a premium subscription, look this upgrade now. You see cancel. Only method you have to see is just to see cancel subscription. From here, click this one. If you have problem with your subscription cancellation, just go to this icon, and then guys go to this Discord icon and open your Discord chat and write a message. For example, write for example this message: I want to cancel my subscription, guys, and then you will see some guides to help you cancellation from on this chat. This is how you can do, guys, and also you can contact him via WhatsApp message and write your message to cancellation here on the WhatsApp. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video.